Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic Astra, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all, let's tap on the video. So just tap on this option. If it is highlighted, if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can change the video resolution for the rear camera just by tapping on this settings icon in the left upper corner. Of course, in this configuration of the device. And here at the top we've got the video resolution. So let's simply tap on it. And in this device we've got three different options. So 4K, Full HD, and HD. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick this one, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. What is interesting, you can also change the video resolution for the front camera. So to do that, we have to tap on this, let's say, changing icon. So we have to switch between the cameras. Right now the front camera is active, and again enter the settings. And as you can see here, we've got the video resolution, which is not set to the 4K like in the rear camera. In this section, we've got only two available options, so HD and Full HD. So just tap on the option that you'd like to use, and again, it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.